Hey, Mark Morris, 202BToBroke.com, engineer, debt-free, building a $150 million business. Subscribe. Just going to go, it's 100 degrees here in Palm Springs. This is Tramway over here by the ponds. So, just going to take a 10 to 15 minute walk. Subscribe. You know, as you get 56, you got to try to stay in shape. So, you know, I've gave up the cholesterol, the biscuits, the waffles, all that great stuff I used to eat. Now I'm trying to only eat turkey meat and reduce the amount of like cholesterol foods that have pastas, you know, carbs. Subscribe. Walks like this. Instead of going overseas to Monaco or some other places where I see people go, 5 to 10 minutes from my house. Okay, 20 minutes from my house. Go do a little walk up a hill. Subscribe. Because tomorrow also I follow up with tight outfit work. I got cardio. So that one we do sprawls and sit-ups and all kind of moves. So try not to do too much today. So subscribe. Join my VIP health club. We do gene testing. And we look on other methods of how the rich people stay healthy. How do they keep their minds sharp? How do they stay young? So that's what we're going to be working on as we head toward the end of the year now. Now that I'm debt free, have a little extra money to spend on the medicines, gene testing. Maybe we'll go do the IV stuff. Let me know what you think. Have you done the IV thing? Subscribe. Dating too. Have 2 women I'm dating right now. But I'm deciding if I want to take them on a vacation with me or just go alone. So subscribe. Let me know what you think. But this is my workout for today. And who is it? Etna? I take on a date. Subscribe. Let me know what you think.